Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I'm going to do another 3-shoe unboxing. Get this done real quick for you guys so we can get on with the next one. The first shoe up, get this name for you guys, is the Jordan Mars Black Antares Metallic Gold Jordan Mars 270. Let's get you guys a little spin. Get on to the next shoe. Completing the Mars 270 collection. If you guys didn't check out the other videos, please do. These are good shoes, especially if you're balling or just trying to look good on the block. They are perfect. Get on to the next shoe. You guys love to see me take shoes out of the boxes, so I didn't want you guys to have to mix this, but I popped the box already. It's too hard to get off on camera. We'll come out, I'll show you guys what this shoe is. I don't even know yet myself. This shoe is the Air Jordan Legacy 312 Varsity Red, Black, and White. Let's get the shoe out of the box, guys. You guys can see what it is too. Alright, there we go. Another 312 for the 312 collection. We can bring this forward, close this up. Let you guys get some good shoe cam action. Really enjoy the Jordan 312s. They're very good shoes. Everybody who subscribe to the Instagram, I'll have pictures up so you can get a closer look at each of the shoes. This is just the video unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy the 4K video. Bringing you shoes in 4K while other people still trying to make you watching paltry 1080p or 1440. I'll just get to the next shoe. Alright guys, see, I saved the boxes for you guys. I know other shows, they showed the shoes already out the box. I took the top off this box, guys. Get this out of the box. Let me get you guys some of that delectable shoe. Alright, let's see what this one is. This one is a good one for you guys. This one is the Air Jordan Retro Low White University Red and Black. You already know what this one says. This is one of the most sought afters this week. Let you guys get a look at that bad mammal jammal there. Price tag of $185. They're selling for about that on StockX now. Get you guys some spin. Ooh, this is a beautiful shoe. 4K, I don't even think does it justice. You got to see the shoe in hand, guys. I don't even like low Jordans. I hate low Jordans. But this is the best low Jordan I've seen in a while. It's just a clean shoe. That's the clean shoe. Alright, I'm going to put the numbers down below, guys. Thanks for watching the video. We're going to continue to unbox these shoes for you. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
Everybody fucking jump!